Hello everyone, welcome back. CrownGeek here. Now I personally love Windows 11 user interface and other feature, except the feature that are spying and lot of bloatware that make it worse. Even it come with lot of problem, and even I don't like that Microsoft should track my data and get involved into it. For example, they force you to use the Microsoft products such as a Microsoft account while installing Windows 11, OneDrive, Microsoft 365, and so on. These all are the reasons that people don't like to continue with Windows 11, and either they want to roll back to Windows 10 or they want to switch to the Linux. But as I said in the beginning that I really like Windows 11 and I want to continue with it, so I made some big changes so that I can get rid of many problems like bloatware, the spying issues, and many other features that I don't like in Windows 11. And that's exactly what I will be doing in this video. So I would recommend you that watch the video till the end, and probably you would be able to manage your Windows 11 and make it usable again. And then you will be really enjoying Windows 11 operating system. So without any further delay, let's quickly get started. Now before proceeding guys, let me tell you that you have two different options. Either you can switch to the custom ISO like Atlas OS or the Optimum 11, or either you can well optimize your Windows 11 as I will be doing in this video. So if you want to switch to the custom ISO, I have already created a video, you can watch that video. But if you want to stick with Windows 11, the real operating system, and you want to optimize so that it can be usable again, then let's see how exactly you can do that. So the very first thing that I would recommend you that use a third-party tool like titus or the Winaero Tweaker, as this will be helping you to make a lot of changes without any problem, and even it will save a lot of your time and give you the best performance. Alright, so I recommend both of the tool here. Either you can go with the titus or you can go with the Winaero Tweaker, whichever you like the most. As of now in this video, I will be going with the titus tool. So I will be sharing the link in the description. You can come to their website, and below it says one command, download and usage. So copy the code from here, click on copy. Then click on your Windows search, type PowerShell, right click on the Windows PowerShell and click run as admin. Click on yes and paste the command over here. Right click and paste it, hit the enter key. And very soon the titus tool will be installing and the dashboard will be coming up like this. Alright, now once it comes up, you will find different categories here. Install, tweak, config, update and micro-win. So let's see what you get in the install option, and you can install many kind of application according to the category wise by selecting the application over here given in the list. So whichever you want to install, you just need to select it, and then you have to click on install, upgrade it, select it. Alright, now basically we are not going to do this. So we will come to the tweak section, and in the recommended selection it says either you can go with the standard, minimal, clear or get installed. So you will have to click on the standard, and you will find that it will automatically check all these options here which are required. Create a restore point, delete the temporary file, disable the consumer feature, disable the telemetry. So these are the options it will be disabling. So go through them. In case if you want that any of these options should not be disabled, then you can go ahead and uncheck it. I've already created a restore point and deleted the temporary file, so I will uncheck it. Then below it give you the advanced tweak. Now it says caution and only apply it if you are very careful about it. Like you can go with the disable background application, as you don't get the direct option in the Windows 11 to disable the background app. So you can check this option. I would also disable the IP version 6 because I'm not using it. Disable the full screen optimization, Microsoft Copilot. If you want to disable, then you can check it. Notification tray, calendar, I want to disable it. The display for the performance, set classic right click menu. Alright, now what happened? As I said that there are many options on Windows 11 that people don't like, and one of them is the new context menu. If you don't like this, then choose this option, set classic right click menu. Remove Microsoft Edge. So if you want to remove the Microsoft Edge, you can check this option. Remove the OneDrive. Yes, I want to remove it. Alright, so once you are done, on the right hand side, you will find the customize preferences. Mouse acceleration, you can disable it. So even you can have a look here. Then on the left hand side corner, you will find a very useful option. Run OO Shut-up 10. You need to click on it. And this is a very useful and a very great tool in order to stop Windows from spying on your device. And if you have a look here and you scroll down, you will find tons of options that you can manage from one single tool only. Now, if you're not sure what exactly you have to do, you can click on Actions and click on Apply Only Recommended Settings. Click on Continue. And it says 103 settings have been successfully set. And that's it. Click on OK. So you can see that it's very easy to operate this kind of tool. Once you are done, click on OK, close. And now we can run the titus tool here. So click on Run Tweaks at the left hand side. And then if you bring up the PowerShell window, you will find that the work has been started. And now it's applying all the tweak over here only. So just wait for some time until it's all been done. Now meanwhile it's running, let me show you some more options here in the titus. Like if you want to add the power plan, like activate ultimate performance plan, then you can also add it. You just need to make a one click here. And the next time when you click on your Windows search and type a simple command, that is power cfg.cpl. And here you'll find the titus ultimate power plan has been automatically created and selected. So it will give you the better performance now. And yes, it will be also utilizing the more battery if you're using a laptop. And in case after selecting the ultimate power plan, if you face that your fan is making more sound in your laptop, then you can go ahead and disable this and choose the high performance. And even you can remove the ultimate performance profile from here by clicking on this option. Next, you have the config, then update, and the micro vent. And this option is basically to create a custom ISO of Windows. I have already created a video, and if you need a detailed video on this topic, then let me know in the comment section. Okay, so once the work has been completed, you might find a message here that the tweaks are being applied. So click on Close. And now next, we also need to make sure that if you are using a Microsoft account to log into your device, to your Windows 11, then I would also recommend you that create a local account and switch from Microsoft to a local account. So what you can do, right click on the Windows icon, click on Settings. From the left hand menu option, you will have to click on Account, click on Other Users, and here you can click on Add Account. It will ask you again to sign in with a Microsoft account, so you have to click on I don't have this person sign in information. Click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Now you can create a local account from here very easily by typing your username that you want to and then typing your password. Now once you have created, take all the data back from that earlier account, and then you can sign in with the new local account that you have created by clicking on the Windows icon. Click on the profile picture here, and then you can click on Sign Out and sign in with the new local account. Alright, now next we will be disabling all the unwanted animation. So click on your Windows search, type sysdm.cpl. And once you hit the enter key, you will be getting this kind of page. Here you have to click on Advanced. Under the performance, you will have to click on Settings. And it will be selected to let Windows choose what best for my computer. And you will find that all the animations are being selected and we don't want that. So choose the third option here and only enable few of them, like animate windows when minimizing and maximizing, show thumbnail instead of icon, and smooth edges of a screen font. Click on Apply, click on OK, and click on OK again. Now next we also need to make sure that the connected user experience telemetry has been disabled so that there should not be any kind of spying or tracking of our data on Windows 11. So click on your Windows search, type services and hit the enter key. And here you have to look for a service by the name connected user. So come to the C section, scroll down, and somewhere you will find connected user experience and telemetry. Now you may find this disabled because we have already run the tweak of titus. But in case if you don't find it disabled on the right hand side, then make a double click on it. In the startup type, you have to choose it to disable. Then you have to stop the service and click on Apply and click on OK. Next, in order to stop the tracking and the spying, make a right click on the Windows icon, go to Settings. From the left hand menu option, click on Privacy. Then you have to look for Diagnostic and Feedback. And here you may find these options and optional diagnostic data being enabled. And it says help Microsoft improve your Windows experience and fix problem more quickly by sending us additional diagnostic data. This includes data about website you browse, how you use application and feature, and enhance error reporting. And this is how Windows 11 is spying on you by tracking all this information, your website activity, how you browse, what kind of application you use, what kind of feature you use. So I'm pretty sure after running the Chris Titus, it will be also disabled, but you need to make sure that this option is being toggled off. All right. A part of this, now the last thing that we have to do, we need to make sure that we have got rid of all the bloatware from our Windows 11. So if you click on the Windows 11 logo, and in the pin section, you have to click on all. Now this will display all kind of application, all kind of bloatware. So whichever you are not using, just go ahead and make a right click on it and click on uninstall. Microsoft Team, I'm not using it. Click on uninstall. Microsoft To Do, I'm not using. Again, I will uninstall it. Mixed Reality Portal, I don't need it. I will uninstall it. Movies and TV, well, I need it. Paint 3D, I don't need it. I have never used the Paint 3D. No need to keep it. Phone Link, I use it. Skype, I don't use, so I will go ahead and uninstall it. Snipping, Solitaire, and the casual game. It will all depend on you that what exactly you want to use. Whether I don't need, I will uninstall it. Alright, so this is how you have to look here for all the bloatware like map and everything. Whichever you are not using, go ahead and disable them or uninstall them. Now once you have applied all these changes, this time you have to go ahead and simply restart the device. And the next time when the computer will be restarted, you will find that you have removed many kind of bloatware, you have optimized your performance and even stopped all kind of spying and tracking issues on your Windows 11. So now the next time when your computer gets restarted, when you will enjoy your Windows 11, when you will work on it, you will find a great difference and you will see that the performance has been boosted. Even if you bring up the task manager and go to the performance and click on the CPU, so you will find the process, the thread and the handle count has been reduced drastically. And you can see that the process count is only 73 on my end. So that's really good now. So overall, when you will be enjoying the computer, you will find a great difference. The computer will be working smoother without any kind of lag. And as I said, that you have successfully stopped all kind of spying and tracking issues on Windows 11. So that's all guys for today. Hopefully now after applying all these changes, you will find that the Windows 11 is usable again, working absolutely perfect without any kind of problem. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.